For our Creative Technologies 111 experimental video, we looked to build a CTCH hologram projector. We were inspired to make this from a lecture given to us by Ramsay. Since we could not use smoke, as we did not have the proper space, ventilation, or containment, we decided to use a reflective surface in place of the smoke. Since smoke is reflective, we agreed that a flat surface should work much like the smoke would. We researched ways in which plastic could be used and what shapes and angles would need to be created.
The lecture included examples of art created by Anthony McCall. McCall used smoke and light to make 2D images appear 3D in the video 5 Minutes of Pure Sculpture. We looked to create something like this that could be used by anyone at any time. So during our research, we noticed that the videos projected were simple moving images produced 4 times on the same screen. During a February lecture, Ben Halsall introduced our class to basic editing techniques, and he placed emphasis on movement, color, and sound. To create our hologram projector, we needed clear CD cases and a stencil. We measured out 1 rhombus onto a piece of paper, which we then used as our stencil. We traced this stencil 4 times onto clear CD cases and began to cut them out. After we had cut out all of the shapes, we used clear tape to determine our angles and secured them with hot glue. This is how we created our hologram projector.
With our projector made, we began to make our hologram video. We searched for transparent GIFs and found a shark. We then began to create our video with iMovie. We placed a black background and inserted and adjusted the shark using picture-in-picture. In order to allow 4 images at once, we saved 1 shark video in a specific corner and overlaid it onto a new shark video in a separate corner. We did this technique 4 times or until all corners were filled. With our video done, we uploaded it to YouTube so we could play it off of our phones to be projected. The shark worked relatively well considering our limited resources. In person, it was quite clear and bright. Overall, it was recognizable as a shark. We tested the hologram projector with a few other videos as well, not made by us. These videos worked very well and were very interesting.
Going forward, we believe this technology could be used for a wide variety of uses. For example, displaying art in your home that is not simply static, or using it as a television without a box. This could also be used in theater or movies to create larger scale scenes and characters. Holograms will be very useful moving forward as people are able to build their own and have a multitude of uses.